Did anybody tell you about the top performing areas in Dubai which have performed or given the maximum ROI in less than 1 year? Starting with Al Furjan, where more than 6.7% appreciation has been seen. It is a family oriented place with all social ancillaries within the community. Second one comes is Dubai Silicon Oasis, where around 6.5% appreciation has been seen, followed by Arabian Ranches, where more than 5% appreciation has been seen. Along with this, popular places like downtown and Jumeirah Village Circle has seen more than 3% appreciation. And lastly, Business Bay, which has seen the least appreciation of 0.3% appreciation. Now the question comes, why popular places like downtown and Business Bay are showing least appreciation? The reason that you need to understand is these places are popular but they are fully mature, where the prices have already gone up, so the scope of appreciation is less. Even there is less land available to come with new and latest projects over here. So now you need to understand, as a home buyer or an investor, where you want to go. You want to select a popular place but with the risk of not getting high appreciation, or you want to go to a newly well planned and conceptualized communities such as Dubai Islands, MR The Valley, Grand Polo Club and Resort, Eldar, Damac Riverside. So these are some top and newly planned communities in Dubai which is having great location. Slowly and steadily more and more developments are coming inside, and most importantly, with the lower entry ticket price, these places are attracting more and more buyers and investors to get property in Dubai under AED 1M to more than that depending on their budget. But the point is to get the latest property, new community with better developments, modern usage. So considering these facts, these top popular communities holds great investment potential for the new age investors. So if you want to know about each and every community which I have discussed, which I have named, along with the property for sale availability, every community with its own benefits and disadvantages of living here, transportation system over in these communities. So you can simply contact us or visit our website, that is dubaihousing-ae.com, where you can get each and every single information about these communities so that a right investment step can be taken in 2026. Because a right decision needs a right and accurate information with the legal assistance. So we are right there to provide you best community that suits in your budget and your need. Thanks for watching.